So I'm Sheila Ursal, representing Nimla. I'm the last presenter. I'm not sure what happened to ladies first, but I'm here. So Nimla is a service, basically puts together an optimal route for you, given that there are so many modes of transport now. You have Zipcar, you have GoToCar, you have Scoot, and the number is growing. Some of you probably presented some options today. So the problem is that you might have an app, but you have to juggle 6 or 7 apps to be able to find a route you want to take. Today, the young folks are driving less, but that doesn't mean they're traveling less. And to get from one place to another, you might want to take a bus to the Caltrain station, and in San Francisco, you might want to scoot around, and to the hills, you might want to rent a Hertz car. So it needs to be able to give you all of that, not just the routes, but the costs, all the different options. While you're using the route, real-time information is important because folks in San Francisco might know Muni is notoriously late. So today you might have a pre-created plan, but if something changes on the go, you need to be able to have the option to make those changes. So we provide that. The apps that are currently available either provide point-to-point routing or do real-time updates. So we are on the top corner there, basically doing both of these. So Nimla, as you can see, is one platform that allows you to connect all the different modes of transport and real-time information. We actually have a functioning app, and I can show you that on my phone. The market opportunity is young people driving less and less. The local meta search for local transportation on Expedia is about 2 billion right now, and the whole ground transportation market is 200 billion. In the Bay Area alone, there are 1.2 million people taking daily public transport. So we have a Caltrain app that we've launched. Caltrain has around 30,000 daily users. We have 10% of that market right now. So we have 3,800 downloads. People are using our app more than 3 times a week. So currently in the market and having good traction compared to all our competitors. So demo, I can do one later on if you like. I have a running app. This is our team, John and myself, and then several others. Both of us have many years of experience in the industry, especially online. John has better degrees, MIT and Stanford. I have a humble Santa Clara MBA. Everybody else in our team is developer or QA or marketing person. Current status, we launched our app 6 months ago. As I said, we have 10% of the Caltrain rider market already. Last night, we launched another app in the App Store with BART, Caltrain, Muni, AC Transit, Bus, and VTA. Nobody's doing that. That app should be approved within a week, and we have a huge launch coming up. You might see us on the Caltrain stations. We've done that before. We set up booths, we have a banner, we've been giving t-shirts and umbrellas, talking to folks directly. That really actually serves a lot of good market research for us when we do that. We also have a number of Facebook campaigns and Twitter campaigns going on. We're looking for seed funding at this point. We have a modest budget for marketing, and also for expansion, we do need some funds. So currently looking for funding. That's it. Thank you.
All right, everyone.